Welcome to Mad Markets, and standing next to me is a man who's trying to suck in his stomach so that he fits into his suit. You look dashing today, Paul.
I know,
must say,
a friend
why?
of mine saw me on Friday wearing that Springbok jersey, hadn't shaved for 2 days, and she said, "You look terrible, like you've got to upgrade your image." So here we go.
Okay, fantastic. I hope you've got more suits. We want to see different colors
That's
tomorrow.
my only smart
Okay,
take.
so Italy is next. We did not know this. We
Well,
didn't
your
realize.
previous commentator says that Greece is just an iceberg. I don't think there have been any icebergs anywhere near Greece since, like, the last ice age. Just complete nonsense. Completely ignore those comments. Apparently, Italy is next, and now, the bond vigilantes are hitting on Italy.
And then the ratings agency vigilantes
I
will
mean,
also
that's
come
ridiculous.
forward.
Italy is a fabulous country. It's got so many assets. It's got the Pope. It's got good coffee. It's got old buildings, a nice climate. I mean, really, leave these guys alone. I'm sure their debt is mostly owned internally. So really, I'm so tired of this European thing. Italy, I'm sure, is going to be fine.
Okay, but markets will come under pressure, and we could see us reliving the Greek scenario, except that it's now the I in the pigs and not the P.
Yes,
or not
but
the G.
I mean, Italy is a big and important country, so I'm sure they're going to find some kind of solution to this, even if they have to go through some pain, yada, yada, yada. I mean, Italy has been through many crises akin to this one.
Paul,
moving
the
along.
eternal optimist.
Exactly.
Speaking of optimism, Alcoa kicks off this evening.
Now, that's
Very
something I am
important. Yes.
properly interested in, because remember, as I was ranting away yesterday, I don't really care about these sort of short-term dilemmas. What I'm really interested in are secular growth stories. So I'm looking for companies to justify higher share prices by virtue of sustained earnings growth. So I'm looking with interest to see which of these companies in America, the S&P 500, can actually deliver that. It's earnings season again. They get their results out nice and quick in the US.
Yes.
So it's obviously just the market from, the last 3 months up till June. And look at this, we're only just started in July and we're getting results already. How fantastic is that?
Absolutely fantastic. So cement demand is
Yes,
up.
we get these sales stats. I don't know if you've talked about it already
No,
on
we
the
haven't
show,
actually.
but the Cement Institute releases these, and perhaps because June last year everybody was just playing soccer and not paying attention to business, but this June has been like sharply higher than last June. It's the first time in, I don't know, like 36 months or something we've seen a cement uptick.
So how did
that's
PPC
great.
perform today on the back of this news?
I don't know, I think they were up, weren't they?
You should be watching it because you've actually you've got
But they have
vested
definitely
interest.
bottomed. I mean, they bottomed at like 23 Rand last year. They're now back at like 27. Things are looking good.
Mr. Theron, we have to wrap.
But my story about Pallinghurst, they came out with all these new Fabergé eggs and the share price only went up 1 cent.
Well, are you going to
1
buy some
cent South
Fabergé
African.
eggs?
No, I mean, really, it's supposedly a resources company. They're making a good song and a dance, but, Fabergé eggs.